Assalamu alaikum. Many men, many minds. Where there are many scholars, there are many opinions, and they work with their intelligence. As a result, they are divided and create contested. Thank you, sir, for golden opportunity to say something about globalization, a contested concept. This is Abdul Khalek, IT number 1818004, Department of Gender and Development Studies, Begum Roka University, Rampur. Recently, I read a delightful book. It was Globalization, a short introduction, and chapter name Globalization, a contested concept. It written by Manfred V. Steger. He was a professor at the University of Hawaii at Manaus and director of the Globalism Research Center at Rome University in Australia. The book, published the United States by Oxford University Press in New York and first published 2003. Now I present to you about the chapter. Generally, globalization means interaction and integration among people, company and government worldwide. It has accelerated transportation and communication technology. This increase in global interaction has caused a growth in international trade and the exchange of idea and culture. Manfred B. Steger said that it was contested concept, but why? Now I tell that airplane is one of the most invention of globalization. It compresses time and space. That means getting faster and distance are shrinking dramatically. But Osama bin Laden destroy building like the Pentagon and the Twin Towers by aeroplanes, where many people were died. The reason was to destroy the power of the United States. The big news agency exchanges news from around the world, such as AOL, BBC, CNN, ABC, CNBC. Although Osama bin Laden a terrorist person, but his terrorist report published rapidly because he controlled the news agency. In this chapter, Laden message to be heard and seen by billions of TV viewers around the world. But it was obstacle United States. Many scholars suggest that four characteristics lie at the core of the phenomenon. First, globalization involves the creation of new and the multiplication of exciting social network and activities that increasingly overcome traditional political, economic, cultural, and geographical boundaries. But it does not affect equally all countries in the world because some dominant countries control it. As a result, Bangladesh bank robbery, Nepal is slowly sinking underwater, cold war, global warming, etc. The second quality of globalization is reflected in expansion and the stressing of social relation activities and interdependencies. Then, gigantic shopping malls, financial market has emerged rapidly on all continents. Osama bin Laden organization rapidly expanded and terrorist cells spraying up in dozens of nations on all five continents. Third, globalization involves the intensification and acceleration of social exchange and activities. Then Osama bin Laden is reasonable to assume that his terrorist stressing is being shaped continuously by technological breakthrough achieved in American and Indian computer labs, as well as by political and military decisions made in Washington DC, Brussels, and other parts of the world. At the same time, the activities of US politicians, military engineers in the United Kingdoms and Israel secret agents are significantly impacted by Osama bin Laden strategy. Fourth, the creation, expansion and intensification of social interconnection and interdependencies do not occur merely on an objective material level. Besides, globalization has been defined by many scholars in many ways. They were all right one part of globalization. Most of the time, they could not get together on their opinions. After all, globalization is an uneven process. The people living in various parts of the world are affected very differently by this gigantic transformation of social structure and cultural zones and create competition one another. So Manfred B. Straser said that globalization a contested concept. Thank you everybody.